The anchoring bias is a cognitive bias that occurs when individuals rely too heavily on the first piece of information they receive when making decisions or judgments, even if that information is irrelevant or arbitrary. Once the anchor is set, subsequent judgments or decisions are often adjusted or anchored around this initial reference point, leading to systematic errors in reasoning. Anchoring can influence a wide range of decisions, from purchasing products to negotiating salaries, and can occur consciously or unconsciously. The effect is particularly strong when the anchor is perceived as credible or relevant to the decision at hand. Research has shown that even when individuals are explicitly told about the presence of anchoring and encouraged to adjust their judgments accordingly, they still tend to be influenced by the initial anchor to some degree. This suggests that the anchoring bias operates at a subconscious level and can be difficult to overcome completely, even with awareness and effort. Furthermore, anchoring effects can persist even when the initial anchor is completely arbitrary or irrelevant to the decision at hand. This highlights the pervasive nature of anchoring and the challenge of avoiding its influence in various contexts. Retailers often use the anchoring bias in pricing strategies. For instance, they may list a high original price for a product and then offer it at a discounted price. Consumers may perceive the discounted price as a better deal because it is anchored against the higher original price, even if the original price was arbitrary or inflated. When selling a property, real estate agents may use the anchoring bias by setting an initial asking price that is higher than the property's actual value. Prospective buyers may then anchor their perceptions of the property's worth to this initial asking price, even if it is inflated, influencing their willingness to make offers. Restaurants sometimes use anchoring bias in menu pricing by placing high-priced items at the top of the menu. Customers may anchor their expectations of price based on these initial high-priced items, influencing their perceptions of value for other items on the menu. These examples demonstrate how the anchoring bias can impact decision-making in various contexts, often leading individuals to rely too heavily on initial information or reference points when making judgments or evaluations. Recognizing the influence of anchoring can help individuals make more informed decisions by consciously considering additional information and avoiding undue reliance on arbitrary anchors.